Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, first watch this, please subscribe my channel for more cooking recipes. We're diving into a unique and delicious dish that's packed with flavor and nutrition, banana blossom curry. If you've never tried banana blossom before, you're in for a treat. It's a popular ingredient in many Southeast Asian cuisines, and it's absolutely delicious when cooked right. So, let's get started. First, let's gather our ingredients. Here's what you'll need: 1 banana blossom, cleaned and chopped, 1 cup coconut milk, 1 onion, finely chopped, 2 tomatoes, chopped, 2-3 green chilies, slit, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons oil, salt to taste, fresh coriander leaves, for garnish. Now, let's prep the banana blossom. If you've never worked with it before, don't worry, I'll walk you through it. Start by removing the outer purple layers until you reach the lighter, more tender ones. Then, chop the blossom into thin slices. Once chopped, soak the pieces in a bowl of water with a little lemon juice or vinegar to prevent browning. This also helps remove any bitterness. Let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes while we move on to the next step. Now, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Once it's hot, add the cumin seeds and let them sizzle for a few seconds. Next, add the chopped onions and sauté until they turn golden brown. Once the onions are ready, add the ginger garlic paste and sauté for a minute. Then, toss in the chopped tomatoes and cook until they're soft and mushy. Now, it's time to add the spices: turmeric powder, red chili powder, and coriander powder. Mix everything well and let it cook for another minute. By now, our banana blossom should be ready. Drain the water and add the pieces to the pan. Mix everything together so the banana blossom is well coated with the spices. Let this cook for about 5 to 7 minutes on medium heat, stirring occasionally. Once the banana blossom is tender, pour in the coconut milk. Stir gently and let the curry simmer for another 5 minutes. This will bring all the flavors together beautifully. Don't forget to taste and adjust the salt if needed. Finally, turn off the heat and garnish the curry with some fresh coriander leaves. This adds a lovely freshness to the dish. And there you have it, a delicious, creamy, and aromatic banana blossom curry. Serve it hot with steamed rice or roti for a complete meal. Wow, this is so flavorful and satisfying. I hope you give this recipe a try. It's a great way to explore new ingredients and flavors. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!